I'm installing Windows Server 2008 R2. In fact, I was going to install Windows Server 2012 R2 and it shows me some errors, so I had to choose Windows 2008 R2. Still loading. Language install, okay, English install, US, leave it. Install it now. Stop is starting. To choose data center. Next. Accept the license terms. Next. Custom. Have to delete. Okay. Delete. 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 New 1010. Apply. Okay. So this partition will be created as a secondary, and the previous one will install the C partition. And yeah, partition 3 I formatted it here. Next, so copying Windows files, 100% correct. Getting files ready for installation. One. So this process will take much longer time, so I have to wait till this finish. Five 5%, 7, 8. uh, 15. Oh, so I'm doing this in my office, so you can hear a lot of people talking around. So in fact, installing a Windows server is much easier because when you install a Windows normal PC, it's a client PC, even though you will have to follow the same, more or less the same steps you will have to follow. So it's not much of a difficult task to install Windows Server. 48. Half, it's done. Another half. Oh. I didn't get a bootable CD to install Windows Server. What I did was I uh, copied all the files to a USB pen drive and made it a bootable USB. So that's why I boot it. In fact, this is the second time that I am installing Windows Server for this purpose, for the WRL. The first server got corrupted, and I have to, while experiencing it, I had to delete it and configuring it again while recording. Hope something bad won't happen again. Installing updates. Windows needs to restart to continue. We'll let it reboot it by its own. Restarting. Loading Microsoft Corporation. Setup is updating registry settings. Setup is starting services. Completing installation. Hope this would be the final steps. Oh. It has a long space to go in that progress bar below that window. Installing Windows. You. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation. Copying files, Windows files, done. Expanding Windows files, done. Installing features, okay. Installing updates, already updated. And now it's completing the installation. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. Restarting. Loading. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. Will there be a driver issue? Let's see. Activation. Updating direct disk. Radio performance. Installing Windows malicious software removal tool. This is the final steps. Posted up complete. Launch UPI. What is this? Do I have to configure this one? For the moment. Select all, select defaults. Do I have exit it? Password. Assigning a password to the administrator. What is the password? To confirm it again by retyping it. Should go changing. Okay, your password has been changed. Okay, welcome. Preparing your desktop. Here is our server. Now I have installed Windows Server. Now I have to configure.